Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to learn about the how we are going to fix the one of the issue, that is configuration invalid port while connected to the MySQL, whether it's to be a Postgres, any of the connection. So I'm facing that the invalid port. But here the twist is like that I'm adding hash. So it's rest of the line is gonna be like green. So maybe the issue because hash is there. So if you have the password with hash or something or some asterisk words or the alphanumeric, so it will get this error, right? How to fix that error we are going to learn in this video. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So here you have to update the hash with your unicode. So I'm going to get like this percent 23 for the hash. If I just go and google it like percent 23 value, percent 23 unicode value. So if you like, you can see hash is the unicode number sign. Okay, so you have to add that one. So once I have added and I'm going to run this, my error gone, and I'll print that the query result. Okay, so this is how you can fix this issue. Any doubt, any query, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day, and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.